Hello, my babushkat. I've just read a report on Yle Uutiset, the Finnish national news agency, and they're talking about potatoes. The reports have come in from Finnish farmers that this year the potato harvest is going to be a lot smaller than what it usually is. And when they pull up the shaws of the potatoes, they're finding that there's not so many potatoes on the shaw, and those potatoes that do exist are much smaller. There's also, they're talking about the starch content of the potatoes, and it is higher than usual, and I don't know if it's because of the drought and the sunshine, but that has an effect on the quality of the potatoes and whether they're floury or whether they're firm and good. Anyway, that's the story for me as well in my garden, that potatoes, they have been small, and also the amount on the shaws have been ridiculously small as well. I have been growing potatoes in a pot, and those have been getting a regular washing. So I'm going to have a look. This is Annabelle. Perhaps I should just break these off and then dump this pot out to see what we have. Whoa! Camera fell down. Can you see these? There we are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 small ones, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think that's about it. I don't think there's any more in there. Oh, there's one. 13. Do the blend and sift. 14. So that's about it. 2. So that's the haul. About 12 potatoes. Very clean. Very nice Annabelle. So, not too shabby from a small pot. I don't know, that's about 20 centimeters or so. So, growing them in pots where you can water them is the way to go if you want some potatoes during a drought. And this here with the darker shaws is a potato from Lapland. It's a fingerling potato, and it's the most expensive potato that you can buy in Finland. I think they might call it a fir apple in other countries, but usually they only grow them up in Lapland, where the days are long and you get lots of sun. So let's have a look at this fingerling potato, see what type of harvest we get from it. Oh, there you are. Not very big, but we definitely have got some. These are the most flavoursome potatoes that you could ever imagine. Oh, that's quite a good one, yeah. And you see them in here. This looks quite good. For a small bucket to get so many. These are special roasting potatoes. Some small ones in there. And another two. And that's about it. Lots of small ones in there which haven't grown yet. There's another one. Huh. Oh, these little ones. But no more big ones. So, let's see what we have here. Can you see that? That's a good place. There we go. Lapin puikula. So my friends, that's the potato disaster in Finland. Growing potatoes in the ground was an abysmal failure this year. Only growing them in pots where you could water them have I had any success. So upwards and onwards for a new year next year and better success. A little bit of rain, a little bit of sunshine, just not sunshine all the time and no rain. It's bad for everything. Bye for now.